Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mazda CX-5 Akira, stock reference number 7436. This shape runs from the 5th month 2018 through to the 12th month 2023. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder bi-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. Bonnet has one small dent. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror, camera type, left front door has no damage, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, power lift type tailgate, no damage, right tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right guard has one small dent, right power door mirror, camera type, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It does have subwear on the front edge of the base of the seat, electric type seat, center console lid in leather, auto console, auto gear shifter, command controls, heater controls, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, owner's manuals, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.